Looking to elevate your onboard experience? Discover the power of JL Audio Marine speakers engineered for life on the water. In Fort Lauderdale, one name stands above the rest: Concord Marine Electronics. Trusted by yacht owners, captains, and builders for over 35 years. As an authorized JL Audio Marine dealer, Concord designs and installs custom systems that deliver studio-quality sound at sea. Whether it's a 30-foot center console or a 150-foot yacht, every installation is precision-tuned and tested under real-world marine conditions. Take, for example, the JL Audio M6 VX Series 6.5. Enclosed coaxial speakers, purpose-built to project powerful, distortion-free sound across open water. Paired with the JL Audio MediaMaster 105, a premium weatherproof media unit with full-color display, your onboard audio becomes fully customizable, zone by zone, wave by wave. JL audio systems are built to endure saltwater, UV exposure, vibration, and more, thanks to rugged marine-grade materials and seamless integration with advanced digital controls. At Safe Harbor Lauderdale Marine Center, Concord delivers full-service installation, Bluetooth integration, and ongoing support, making us Fort Lauderdale's leading JL audio dealer. Want to hear the difference for yourself? Visit our in-store demo systems and explore how JL Audio and Concord bring your yacht sound to life. Concord Marine Electronics, where luxury meets performance on the water.